Welcome, Milano family, to another episode of the Milano Cooking Show. Today, we're going to be making something a little different, cheeseburger soup. What? Anywho, so I researched and I did, my version of it with a little bit of a twist, but I want you to taste it. Hold on, let me just let you take a peek. Hold on, look at this. With a little fresh baguette, with a little butter, and I'm going to give it a taste. So hold on, it's got potatoes, it's got celery, it's got carrots, onions, garlic, and cheese. It's creamy. It's delicious. Watch this. We're going to start off with, we're going to get some butter. I have it on Sauté, and I'm going to just take a little bit out. We're going to pop in some onion. Let's melt that down a little bit. We're going to put onion, garlic, celery. So onion, bada bing, some carrots. Let's get our celery in there. Yum, the smell is already fantastic. We're going to put a little garlic. And then we're going to pop in ground beef, i.e. cheeseburger soup. We're going to take our ground beef and we're going to brown it. So we're going to take a little bit of flour, and we're going to, about a quarter cup, I would say. And we're going to stir that in, mix it up nicely, and we're going to add in a little bit of basil and a little bit of parsley. Hold on. A little bit of fresh basil. I want to get every last drop. A little bit of dried parsley. Put a little more out there. Fabulous. And then the next step, I'm going to put in these potatoes. I'm going to pop it in. Look at those. Nice. Good. We're going to go one. Go two. And we're going to go three. I have additional chicken broth just to be on the safe side. But what we're going to do, we're going to stir it up. We want to get this to go to a simmer. Actually, we want to get this to go to a boil, excuse me. And then we're going to bring it down to a simmer. So we've got it on Sauté. Let's go with time left to get to a boil. So now what we're going to do, we're going to add in about 2 cups of cheese. So this is cubed cheddar. I'm going to mix that up. Then we're going to put in about 1.5 cups of milk to make it super creamy. So we're going to take a little dry mustard. We're going to just sprinkle that in, maybe a little bit more. All right, then we're going to put in a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, stir it, looking fantastic. A little bit of pepper here. Yummy. And a little bit of salt. And remember, I've got the bread in the oven, so we're going to let this cook. We've got to wait until the cheese melts. When the cheese melts, that is the key that our soup is done. So a little bit of time left, a little bit of time. We'll be tasting in just a minute. I need a little garlic powder, so I'm just going to add a little bit in. Probably let it cook a little bit more. But now what we're going to do, we're going to add the sour cream. Just 1/4 cup. So it's going to be a creamy, creamy soup. Mix that in. We're going to let it ride just a little bit. I'm going to go get the bread, and we're going to serve this in just a snap. Okay, so I've taken the bread out, cut it up, so it's ready to be dipping with this fabulous, fabulous cheeseburger soup. Milano family, you've got to try it. It's absolutely spectacularly delicious. Hold on. So, that being said, you guys try it. The recipe is down. Okay, but tell me how you like it. DM us and see how your version of Milano's cheeseburger soup tastes. So we will see you on the next version of the Milano cooking show, or maybe we'll see you in the showroom. And Gigi just showed up right in the middle of the ending. Gigi, come on in. Hurry, run. She's coming. She flew in from California, and she has her new little puppy, Theo. Hold on, Gigi. Pop on in. Come on. You're going to have some cheeseburger soup. Right? Little Gigi.
Hi.
Want to show Theo? Not too close to the food, but this is her new, what is he called?
Fischla.
He's a Fischla. Anyway, thank you. We'll see you next time.